Hi, my name is Jean-Philippe Gagnon, Field Application Scientist at Telops. In this video, I want to talk to you about our Enhanced High Dynamic Range Imaging option, or EHDRI. The EHDRI functionality, available in every Telops camera, will enable you to better manage a scene containing extreme temperature contrast, where capturing imagery with a single exposure time setting leads to regions of saturated pixels and underexposed pixels. Let's focus our attention on this example here. A printed circuit board, which is viewed here with our fast M350 camera at a given exposure time. We were able to collect good data off lower temperature regions, but hotter regions show saturation, like you see here in green. Lowering the exposure time enabled us to get rid of this saturation and measure valid temperature. But by the same token, we underexposed the lower temperature regions. Therefore, there's no single exposure time to adequately sample all scene intensities. Enhanced High Dynamic Range Imaging solves this problem. This function enables you to collect a series of images acquired with different exposure times and to merge them together to create a composite image without underexposed regions and free of saturation. The EHDRI option in Reveal IR lets you set up to 4 exposure times with individual occurrences. Once selected, the images are displayed in Reveal IR. Merging of the collected images can be performed in post-processing or in real time by selecting it via the image processing toolbox. The resulting merged image is then displayed in Reveal IR. The composite high dynamic range image can then be easily exported as a file in native format, MP4 or JPEG. EHDRI can be a great tool to generate high dynamic range images of strongly contrasted scenes. For more info, please visit us at telops.com.